Hello guys, welcome back to yet again another video. Today's video I got my Midland WR120DSP and my WR400DSP, and we are going to go ahead and unbox these radios. My ER310 Pro is also on the way, so why don't we go ahead and start with the Midland WR120DSP. Oh wow. Okay, looks like we have the new Midland logo on the front. We got little papers and stuff, the cables in here, instructions, and now we're going to go ahead and open the WR400DSP. Similar box, new logo on the back. Oh, it doesn't have the new logo on the front though. Oh well, I got what I got. Here's the owner manual for that one. Is that it? Okay, I guess that's it. We're going to go ahead and open the cables first. Oh yeah, the cable has the new logo on it. This one's got the old logo on it. Okay, well this WR400 has the new logo on the back, but not the front and the cable. Not like what I hoped. So maybe I'll order another one of these in the future, and maybe it will have the new logo on the cable and the radio itself. I'm just being picky. Whatever. We're going to go ahead and open the cables now. Brand new WR120 cable. And brand new WR400 cable. It would be so cool if it had the new logo though. That would be amazing. Alright, let's go ahead and open. Yep. DSP. Wow, look at this new Midland. And now I gotta open the WR400 DSP. How do I... Okay. Wow. Look at this, guys. Brand new WR120 DSP and WR400 DSP. I think it's kind of funny how they put the new logo on the back, but not the front. And not the cable either. Well, let's just go ahead and take a second and just... Wow. Wow, these buttons feel different. Yeah, the buttons definitely feel a lot different. Wow. This is nice. Wow. Let's go ahead and undo the cables. Well, here's the cables. Now, the weird part is that this owner's manual says WR120 DSP. This one just says WR400. But now this radio on the back says DSP. Okay, let's find out. Now, I would use the cords, but I have some batteries. We're going to use the batteries instead. Where did I put those batteries at? Alright, guys, I just got them turned on. As you can probably tell, they are the DSP. They lit up DSP. I didn't really show that part, though. But now we're going to go ahead and set them both up. Wow, the button beeps sound different. Okay. Oh.
The exception of Butler. Weather outlook.
Alright, guys. Setup done. Now let's go ahead and explore my favorite feature of the DSPs. Alert volume, y'all. we now have alert volume, which is basically just like the Sangean CL100. We can finally turn up or down the siren. Now, the thing I don't like is that they have the same alert tone. It's not like different speeds like the original ones, but whatever. We're doing high. What about button beeps? Can I turn on button beeps? Oh no, they are on. Oh my gosh, what am I saying? I'm at the backlight. The buttons are a lot like rougher now. Like on this one, they feel a lot like rougher. These, and also the thing I like about the 400 DSP is that everything's like centered, like on the screen, like before, like the words are like off to the left. The words are like centered now.
Highs around 80. South winds 15 an hour.
But now let's go ahead and alert test them. Oh. Okay, it's not like a 1 minute test like the original. It's only like a couple seconds. Okay. Well, I also have my WR310 Pro also on the way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on that next video. Bye-bye.